Morning students, this is your maths period and we are going to start our question number 5 from exercise 4.3. Okay, in this question from the choices given below, choose the equations whose graph are given in the figure. There are two figures are given, so let us take first question, first part of fifth question, that is four equations are given and you have to tell who is the appropriate equation for this graph. इस ग्राफ के लिए कौन सी इक्वेशन परफेक्ट है, सही है, ट्रू है, वो आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. सो हाउ विल यू नो? यू विल कैटेगराइज, you will divide into four parts. First equation is y is equal to x. Second one is x plus y is equal to 0. And next is y is equal to 2x. And another is 2 plus 3y is equal to and fourth one is 2 plus 3y is equal to 7x. Okay, so here you can see 3 points lie on the graph. First one is -1, 1 and then second 0, 0 and 1, -1. So first check for -1, 1. Check for -1, 1. यहाँ पे you can see the value of x is -1 and the value of y is 1. So you will put in the place of y 1 and in the place of x -1. Are they equal? No. So this is not a correct answer. Now check for second. You will put -1 plus 1 is equal to 0, means 0 is equal to 0. So this is your answer. Now check for the remaining other parts. Y is equal to 1 and 2 into -1. You will get 1 is equal to -2. Are they equal? Not equal. So this is not your answer. And now check for the fourth part. 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to 7 into -1. You will get 5 is equal to -7. Are they equal? Not equal. So the given graph is is of x plus y is equal to 0. ये ग्राफ जो given था वो किसका था? x plus y is equal to 0. So this is the graph of x plus y is equal to 0. In this way you can find the appropriate equation for the given graph. Okay, now I think you can solve the second part by yourself. Now let us take a sixth question. In this question, so here we use physics. The work done is given by W and the distance traveled is equal to D. And in the question there is a given a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled. जो वर्क डन आपको गिवन है वो डायरेक्टली किसके प्रोपोर्शनल दिया गया है? इट इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड, मींस W is proportional to D and the force is constant. Force is constant. So here we use the formula W is equal to F into D. So and given F is 5 unit. F is 5 unit. So this equation will be W is equal to 5D. Now you will draw the graph of W is equal to 5D. Firstly you will draw a table. Now draw a table for that. Table for the solutions. Okay. So table कैसे draw करेंगे? How you will draw? W is like x and D is like y axis. You can interchange the axes x, y. Okay, this is. Now when you will put d is equal to here w and d, that is w and that is d. Okay, so when you put d is equal to 0, what you will get? You will get w is equal to 0. When you will put d is equal to 1, you will get 5, and you will put 2, then what you will get? You will get 10. And again, if you will 3, then you will get 15. Now you will draw a graph for this equation. How you will draw a graph for the given equation? That is a very simple. You can take distance on the x-axis and work done on the y-axis. Okay? So here you should take a equal interval. आपको equal interval लेना है. So that will be 2, 4, 6, 8. Again 2, 4, 6, 8. And I think 15 तक है. इसको हम लोग इस फॉर्म में लेते हैं. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay? 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. So your first point is 0, 0. That is 0, 0. Second one is 1, 5 because that is D and that is W. So 1, 5, that is 1 between 0 and 2. 1, 5. 5 will lie between 4 and 6. So that is 1, 5 and 2, 10. That is 2, 10. 2, 10. That is 1, 5. And you will draw a straight line joining these points. This is the graph of 6th question. In this question, there are 2 parts. First part is if work done, if the distance traveled by the body is 2 units. If d is equal to 2, what you will get? You will get w is equal to 5 to the 10. 10. And you can see by the table when d is 2, you will get w is equal to 10. Okay. Now second part is 0. When d is equal to 0, you will get w is equal to also 0 unit. If distance traveled is 0, then work done will be also 0. Okay, is it clear? Okay, I think it's enough for today. In the next video, we will discuss the remaining questions of exercise 4.3. Okay, thank you class.